Can you see that crack right there? There's like 4 more. My screen protector is totally cracked. So I'm so excited because I was sent the Smartish kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my phone for you guys and do it step by step. If I can do it, trust me when I say anyone can do it. And this is what it comes with. You get 2 of these. It's pretty cool. And I just love the packaging because they're really clever and funny. And it says it's been tested by feisty kitties. So I love that. If it can survive feisty kitties, maybe it can survive feisty me. All right, let's move the camera down so we can watch the installation process. Took off the old screen. Now you can really see those cracks. Okay, this is going in the trash. Goodbye. Alcohol pads, little lint cover. I don't know what that blue thing is for yet. Let's find out. Okay, so number 1, we're going to use an alcohol pad and wipe the screen. I'm going to use one of the microfiber sheets right here and dry it. This must be the dust lifting sheet, and we're going to go ahead and keep cleaning, it says. I believe it looks clean. Kept it for the next one. Okay, so now we're going to place the alignment frame on the front of the phone. Completely free of the flame. Now follow the squiggly line while pressing down. Take a 20-second breather. I love it. I'm going to do it one more time. Press and slide. Making my way downtown. Almost there. Made it. It says now wait 20 seconds. Oh, I see. That's step 8 will be push out the bubbles. Okay. 20 seconds. Then we ditch the tray. Okay. Ditch the tray. Recycle it too. I like that you can recycle it. Push out any bubbles. Okay, I see one. Let's go ahead and make sure we push it. The ones that I thought were at the top, I don't see those at all. I just saw one. This was really easy. Okay, I'm actually super duper impressed because I was very intimidated and there was no reason to be. This was so simple. It's perfect. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to add my case back on, but I can see that my case is kind of dirty. So I want to go ahead and clean that a little bit and then I'll be done. And done. No more cracks. Looks so good. This was such a simple, foolproof method. I will always be using this. This was just so easy, easy. And I love that I have a second one. So now I have my backup because give me a little bit of time and I promise you, I will get cracks in my screen. I'm just that rough with my phone. Love this, and I know you're going to love it as well.